Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the electrifying world of capacitors. Ever wondered what these tiny tech marvels do in your gadgets? Well, buckle up because I'm about to show you the magic. Imagine you have an uncharged capacitor, a battery, and a switch. When you flip the switch, electrons start zooming towards one plate of the capacitor. This creates a separation of charge. One plate gets packed with electrons, while the other is left wanting. This separation sets up an electric field between the plates. As more and more electrons pile up, the voltage across the capacitor starts to match the battery's voltage. And voila! The capacitor is fully charged. But what happens when we disconnect the battery and hook up a resistor or a light bulb instead? The stored energy in the capacitor now has a way out. Electrons flow back through the circuit, lighting up the bulb. You'll see the bulb glow brightly at first, then gradually fade as the capacitor discharges. So there you have it. Capacitors are like tiny energy reservoirs, charging up and then releasing their stored power whenever needed. Next time you power up your devices, you'll know the magic happening inside. Thanks for watching and keep exploring the wonders of electronics. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tech insights.